Check it out. Finally figured it out. Well, the push button part about it. Turn the key on, just like you normally would, but everything comes on. Sorry. Just turn it on. Doesn't do anything, right? But I got all your accessories. Then this is what I did for the upgrade. Make a fast video. I know it's a little shoddy. You ready? What do you think of that? Yeah? You know, it's a lot better. Give a little rev for you. Okay. Then let me just shut the key off just like normally would. And steering locks. Everything locks. Take the key out. Takes the key to start it.